YouTube's filled with stories like samcrac and Copart, so I'm intrigued. I go on their auction looking for a car for my wife. I find one I liked. I check the service history, one owner, dealer serviced its whole life. Everything looks great. Bid on the car, pick up my U-Haul trailer. I find myself at a Copart in Pennsburg, PA. I'm greeted to the car, sight unseen. Only the pictures that I've seen on the internet and the research I found through my Carfax. Car was forklift onto my trailer. I did find that there was a lateral arm or control arm on the rear suspension. I don't know if the forklift did it or it just fatigued out. I don't know. You buy as is, where is. I felt I got a good deal. I walked out paying about $2,100 for the car and fees. Here's the photo of the lateral arm on the bottom. I replaced two. To my surprise, when I popped the trunk, I found two intact headlights and a crash bar. Throughout the project, I bought a quick check system to help me maintenance and work on the car. I replaced the bumper and the grill. Even treated the car to a wash. Got all the dust out, made a YouTube video on it. This is my most recent YouTube video about replacing the shocks. That's my experience with Copart. A happy one.